Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhavika and I am trying to help you in learning English easily. As you know that we have completed articles, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now let's talk about another interesting topic, tenses. Let's check the meaning of tense first. A tense is a form of verb that allows you to express time. The tense of the verb tells us when an event or something existed or when a person did something. Past tense, present tense, and future tense are the main three types of tenses. Subtypes of tenses: past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, future perfect tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So let's begin with the first topic, simple present tense. The simple present tense is one of the most basic tenses in English. We use it to talk about something that happens continually in present. In simple words, simple present tense describes what is happening repeatedly in present. In simple present tense, we use a verb to tell about things that happen continually in present, like every day, every week, or every month. Let's check sentence pattern. Subject plus verb in the basic form plus rest of the sentence. For example, I run every weekend. I like chocolates. We walk slowly. We go to a garden every Sunday. Remember that the universal truth is always written in the simple present tense. For example, the sky is blue. The sun rises in the east. The earth is round. Laughter is the best medicine. Just remember friends, when you are using a simple present tense verb, you are describing something that continues to repeat itself in the present. Also remember, use simple present tense verbs in the basic form of the verb. Do not add any suffix like ed or ing. You have to change the simple present verb when the subject describes third person singular, he, she, and it. Do this by adding s. For example, he eats, she thinks. Verbs which are ending in s, sh, ch, x, or o, then add es to those verbs. For example, he catches, she passes. If the verb's ending in y, then change it in ies. For example, the bird flies, she cries. Let's check some examples. I cook every day. We see them every week. He goes to school. George loves to play basketball. She lives in Canada. We catch the bus every morning. They sleep in the afternoon. My mother gets up early every day. The moon moves around the earth. Monday follows Sunday. So here we completed our first tense, simple present tense. In next video we will discuss about the simple past tense. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.